Hi friends, welcome back to Fish Trading Academy. So see, this is Sunpharma. Actually, see, today it moved uh, around something like 11 point to change, okay, 12% nearly. So just now I seen this stock. Actually I was trading on something else, okay, I means M&M I am trading, okay. uh, so I just gone through this stock and I'm just going for a short, okay. I'm going for a short, and how I do that, you just watch it out, okay. I just want to show you. I just placed the pivot levels, but all the pivot levels R1, R2, R3 gone, right? Okay, and let me show you the daily time frame. See, it's most dangerous thing to short now actually. Why? Because see the upper circuit, 396, right? So there are high chances that it might hit upper circuit as well, okay. But what I'm going to do is I want to book a quick 5 points profit, okay, 5 points, and that too without stop loss. Why without stop loss? Because I can carry forward, right? Because definitely I gonna see some 50% drop down, so that's the reason only I'm just taking that high risk, okay. But I'll be successful. Let's watch it out, okay. Just okay, for example, okay, so this is the, what is this? This is the high, right? Recent high in future stock, okay. In, if you take the, what do you call that, normal cash stock, cash, okay, that so there it's above something like 89, okay. So very high probability that this resistance will be taken down, okay. So what I'm going to do is, whether it will take this resistance or not, I will just wait for another 2 minutes, okay. Another 2 minutes, I'll see whether it will take down or not. I'm going to 2 minutes. So here in this already one upper circuit is done, and the once the upper circuit is, okay, released, again there is a bounce now, okay. So let's see, will it bounce from here or no? Yes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to short now in my other platform, okay. Just give me a minute. Okay, yeah, fine. See, I placed my stop loss, I placed my entry at 379.5, okay. Just see, will it trigger or not? Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Yeah, triggered, okay. So now let's see how it goes now, okay. Just I'll wait for my 5 rupees now. $74.5 will be my target. Just to make you understand that in an uptrend also we can trade the reversal, but for a very minimal period, short period only, because this is a high probability trade actually, in the sense high risky trade, okay. Every chance that you can lose lot of money here, but the only thing why I'm doing is, see, I'll tell you the thing, okay. Before it completes my target, I'll tell you. See, this is a up move and up move again, okay. It is taking some rest again and again, okay, taking rest. So now see, once the upper circuit is also done, lot of guys still are waiting to book the profit because they are so much greedy now. So I want to catch that greedy, because now definitely operator will take off some kind of profit, in the sense the price action depends, right? Everything depends upon the price action. So what they're gonna do is, the recent low, where is the recent low? Strong low. This is the recent strong low, okay. Here it created a base. Just, okay, make sure that you understand everything here, because very important. So this is the base. Okay, so till this point he will definitely come down, but my target is bit early, right? My target is only 5 rupees. Why? Because there is a wick here. Okay, it acts as some kind of support, okay, for algorithmic traders, not for everyone. So what I am going to do is I want to book early, but it has a high probability to come down to 370 area. 370 area. Okay, my target is this thing. My entry was here. So the only reason why I shorted is to make sure that trade opposite. Okay, because it 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 traveled from here to here. Yeah, seriously. Okay, it traveled from around 340 to 385 actually. See, so let it cool down for some time. Okay, one more leg of downside, my target is done. I'm very much sure that it will come down to this base area. Definitely it will come down. Yeah, you can see, right? You can see it's the whatever the target I placed, the 5 rupees is done, right? Clearly you can see here. Okay, so then okay, my whatever my trade was done now, so that's okay. You guys just forget about that. Okay, I just don't want to show off those things. That's the reason I didn't I'm not looking at those profits or loss. Okay, that okay, but here why I shared this thing is you to learn this concept. This is something like there is a concept like rubber band, right? So it moved away too much far from this 200-day moving average, and it also what it has done is, first thing, R1 is done above PP. The R1 is taken, R2 is taken, R3 is also taken, and here also first time we can short. But at that point of time I'm not watching, I'm not going through this stock actually, Sunpharma. Okay, so I missed that opportunity for this retracement. Okay, but later on what happened, it bounced back and it taken off this first upper circuit also. So now when I just watch this stock, right, at that point of time it's around touching 12%. I thought it's the best chance to short it now for a small 5-7 rupees. Okay, so then I waited for this retracement. Okay, I confirmed the candlestick here. Okay, here there is a follow through and it is too far from this 200-day moving average, and the same way it is this price is very far from this R3 also, right? And again the base here. So there are 4 things you need to understand here. One is too far from the base. Okay, too far from the base, recent low, and again after breaking the upper circuit also it moved above, and the pressure, the seller's pressure is creating here. And when I see the volume is still on the upside, means those who has taken the long trades, they didn't book the profit. Understand? So to make them book the profit, what the operators, means the club owner, will do is make sure that there will be a short positions created to reach this recent low, not these lows, recent low. And again it is when the price is too far from this 200-day moving average, at least it will come down to 50%. But I am not trading, I'm not risking at all. First of all, okay, I'm not at all risking, okay, doing taking any kind of risk here. My trade is something like entry here and target here. I didn't place any stop loss. Why? Because yeah, I know that when I gone through the daily time frame, there is a space to move it till 400 also. So that's the reason I can carry forward my trade. Okay, so I have taken only that risk, except that everything is favorable to my trade, right? So my target is done. I'm just waiting for this till this position, means 370. If at all if it comes or not doesn't matter, because whatever we have taken we are successful here. Okay, so hope you understand this concept and you can apply this concept on any stock. Remember this, any stock. Okay, the only thing you need to do is don't take too much of risk if you don't have the fund. I have the fund, so that's the reason I have shorted here, and if at all if it goes upside also I can bear that loss. But those who cannot take that risk never do that. Okay, you can do it in as of now the big trades are not available because of this coronavirus. Normally what you can do is you can take the same Sunpharma stock and you can short it there in the cash. Okay, short sell. So let me show you here. Okay, you can short sell here, so that what happens is with a minimal of even whatever, if your fund is very low, right, so you can short it with 100 shares or 200 shares also. So this is something like a small bounce now, but what happens now is again one more leg of downside will make sure that the Sunpharma will fall into this 370, 71 or 69 zone area. Okay, thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to Chris Trading Academy if you want more and more videos like this. So I'll be coming up with only concepts and knowledge sharing. Okay, I don't show any kind of whatever the profit loss statements or I have earned like this, I have done like this, all that thing I don't want to share, because purely on the knowledge platform only. Okay, on that perspective, on that objective only I'm sharing my videos. Okay, thank you.